Welcome everyone to Spyder Extras. Today we're going to install the driver's backrest. This kit I purchased online for about $400. Typical Can-Am products are very expensive. Nice vinyl, marine vinyl with an embossed Can-Am logo. Comes with the all your nuts and bolts needed. I mean, it's only like 3 bolts. And that's actually the slot where the seat goes into. I think it's called the backrest receptacle. So the first thing we need to do is remove the passenger and driver seat. And this is my cannonball seat. And I do have complete install instructions on a video also posted on my site, so be sure to check that out. So first thing we're going to do is unlock it. You have to turn the unlock button or press down on the key and turn to the right. At the same time, you have to pull up on the back of the seat. It'll pop right off. And the seat comes right off. There's a tether in the back that you have to undo. Make sure you put the tether back on, and I'll show you how to do that when we put the seat back on. Now our next step is we're going to remove the 2 bolts, which you can see, 1 and 2. So we can take up the driver's seat, and I'm going to use my socket wrench set to get that off. And it's actually 10mm socket. We'll take that off. We'll go ahead and take that off and then move on to the next step. One thing I forgot to mention, make sure you put the panel nut in first, as you can see right there. And then make sure your backrest receptacle seats properly. And it'll go in like this. And it should also slide forward and lock. Yeah, you press down and it'll lock into place. Then you go ahead and put your bolt in, you tighten up your bolt, and it should be good to go. All right, the seat receptacle is in. You see the nuts attached now. It's not going anywhere. It's totally locked in place. So that's all we have to do now is reinstall the seat with the 2 bolts that are provided. Basically, those are the ones I took out. These are the ones that came with the kit. I'm going to put those in with the washers from the old set, even though I think they're identical. As you can see, the driver's seat is installed. Screws are back in place, and I went ahead and slid the backrest into the bracket there. It has 2 positions. Also has a little push tab there. You push that tab in, you can see it, and that'll pull the seat back out. You can also add the anti-theft device. It goes right where you see that hole. Actually, a bolt goes through there, and that way it locks it in place and cannot be removed. I'm not going to use that at this time, though. We're going to go ahead and reinstall the passenger seat. Put a little armor on it, see what it looks like. Remember, don't over tighten any of these screws or any of these bolts because you can't crack the plastic. And don't forget to put the tether, which is right there. Make sure you hook that back onto your passenger seat. You don't want the seat flying off. Becoming a road hazard. I reinstalled the seats, put some nice conditioner on the vinyl. I think it looks good. Please guys, let me know what you think. I went ahead and put on my passenger backrest also. So I think it looks pretty good. I like how the seat comes down so the passenger can get onto their seat and flips right back up. Be sure to subscribe and check out all my videos on Spyder Extras. And thanks for joining me tonight, guys, and have a great rest of the day.